I want to show you guys how to use manual mode now. I'm hoping you're not using it that often because you should be using automatic mode. Automatic mode is a lot more efficient. However, there are some circumstances where you may use manual mode. So let's show you how to do that. So first thing you want to do is hit the program button to get over to the hand right here, which is manual mode. To start, you just hold the OK button down till it beeps. It's going to keep going until I hit it again. Now I can push the up button to bring the carriage up. I'm going to raise it up until I get to the top of the pallet. I got to hold it in for this. Now I'm at the top. I'm going to stop there, let it wrap all the way around. Now I'm going to go down. I'm going to hold it down until it gets to the bottom of the pallet. Now it's at the bottom. I'm going to hit OK in order to stop the cycle.